Yes, this is the Commander-in-Chief of the Nigerian Armed Forces, President Muhammadu Buhari, at the theater of a military operation aimed at clearing the remnants of cattle rustlers and armed bandits terrorizing innocent citizens in Zamfara State. The last time he wore a similar uniform was in 1985 as head of state, carrying an insignia of a 2-star general. This one has 5 stars of a field marshal. And just like one, the president, flanked by the service chiefs, went round the various units of the operation to inspect the hard and software equipment on display, which showcased the robust capability of the Nigerian army to ward off internal and external aggression against the nation. The command post exercise, he said, reminds him of the importance of staff work in the field during the civil war in the 60s and the Chadian operations which he led in the 1980s. The president expressed pleasure at the dexterity, prowess, and level of professionalism displayed by various components, including the combat airborne jump.
I'm quite confident that the Nigerian Armed Forces have been amply repositioned more than ever before to confront contemporary and emerging security challenges in the country. I urge you to intensify and perfect current strategies, approaches, techniques, and tactics towards curtailing all forms of lawlessness across the country,
while assuring the Nigerian army of adequate provision of the required resources and impetus to operate professionally and efficiently. President Buhari is optimistic that the operations of the last few days will lead to the restoration of economic activities of the surrounding communities bedeviled by the menace of cattle rustling and banditry.
I also congratulate the Nigerian army for being a critical instrument of national unity, cohesion, and integration. We look forward to better days ahead.
The Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Tukur Buratai, was full of gratitude to President Muhammadu Buhari for his unprecedented support and assistance to the Nigerian Army, which he promised will remain professional and responsive to its constitutional roles.
I want to assure you that the Nigerian Army is committed to achieving the security objectives of your administration.
This government means very well for everybody in terms of security.
Today, I think mark, another milestone, inshallah, bringing lasting peace, to this part of the country.
Lieutenant General Tukur Buratai later presented a medal for the exercise codenamed Operation Harbin Kunama to President Muhammadu Buhari.
I don't undertake any mission, anywhere and anytime, where no one can go, there you find me.
From Dansadao in Zamfara State, Adamu Sambo, NTA News.